School districts in KELOLAND are preparing their back-to-school plans to find the best way to safely bring back students during a pandemic.
One of the factors being considered is whether face coverings will be mandatory for students and teachers. KELOLAND's Lauren Solik joins us now to explain why the South Dakota State Medical Association hopes schools will require face coverings. Good evening, Lauren.
Good evening, Don and Brady. On Tuesday, the president of the South Dakota State Medical Association sent a letter to each school board president of the state's public schools. That letter, written on behalf of 2,000 member physicians, urges school districts to require face coverings for the upcoming school year.
Well, we know now from research that has been published, and the CDC has now given us a recommendation based on that research, that we should be wearing masks whenever we cannot observe 6 feet distance apart from other people.
Yesterday, the CDC outlined the importance of schools reopening this fall, stating that people under the age of 18 account for less than 7% of the country's COVID-19 cases. The State Medical Association believes requiring face coverings will help children return to school safely.
There is always going to be risk, and the State Medical Association realizes that, and I think that the public realizes that there will always be risk whenever you're going out in public. The CDC realizes that, and that's why they have the 6-foot rule, is if you can maintain that 6 feet distance, then it's likely that you're not going to have a high probability of getting an infection.
However, the State Medical Association realizes that may not always be possible.
Hand washing is very important, and doing what you can in the schools to avoid getting within that 6 feet of contact. We realize that that's not always going to be possible in the schools or in certain events that are out there. And so whenever that is not guaranteed to be possible, then you should wear a mask.
The CDC has said they understand the use of cloth face coverings in schools could be challenging. They have published recommendations for mitigating some problems that may arise. The CDC recommends cloth face coverings for students less than 6 feet apart while on the bus, entering or exiting the school, and while moving between activities and classes. However, face coverings may be less necessary when students are seated 6 feet apart in a classroom, at recess, or while sitting 6 feet apart during meal times. To read the CDC articles we mentioned in the story, as well as the letters sent to each public school board in the state, visit this story on KELOLAND.com.